I somehow caught this when it was like 10 minutes just released. I don't even know. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. It happened. Is that a brain? Never mind. I'll stop talking. That's a heart.
Remember when we left like no tomorrow? When you say without me, you feel so hollow. Then why when we first started kissing, your eyes look like they were missing something. There's something never seemed to be me. Used to be. I'm thinking back to when we.
Wait. Haha. The beat was about to drop. If you're watching this on YouTube, I already know. I just teased you. My fault. Sorry. Jimin. Have I heard of Jimin before? Or is this the... And why is the song called... Is the song just a number? 0108? 0108?
We used to do, we used to say, we used to see. We used to be,
This some sad shit.
used to love. Now I'm in love with the shadow of you. I need to let you go, it's true. All of the sweet
Electric guitar. See, this is what I'm talking about. Electric guitar speaks to me. Electric guitar speaks to me.
memories of bills to fight the nights. I love you too. You say we share the same birthday. Maybe that's why it was easy to stay to cry out to
What other songs of her should I listen to? Because
Killing everything while having nothing at all.
I like her voice. I like her voice.
Promises to make it real.
And I like this
Your
song.
voice all over something I could feel. Even when they were pulled us to different skies, I still see your face when you whisper goodbye. Used to be. Now I'm thinking back to when we remember when we used to do.
I was here early.
We used to see. We used to be. We used to hear. We used to love. Now I'm in love with the shadow of you. I need to let you go, it's true. All of those sweet memories
Wait.
of you.
Am I tripping? Is that a... She got a rope? Or is that just a part of the her sweater wrapped around her neck? Oh, it's just a part of the sweater. It looked like a rope. All you have to do is pull it out. It's like that emo rock music, emo pop rock, whatever that's called. That's it. Damn, this shit about to just abruptly end. It was 3.5 minutes. It actually was kind of a good. Did you enjoy it?